Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to turn any Kindle books into audiobooks. Firstly, you need an iPhone. You need to enable Speak Screen. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then Spoken Content. Find Speak Screen and toggle it on. Now adjust the speaking rate to your liking. A mid-range speed usually sounds most natural and easier to follow. Now tap Voices and explore your options. A female British voice is a popular choice for clarity and pleasant tone. Then choose one that feels right for long listening sessions. Go to Pronunciations to adjust words the reader misintercepts. For example, the voice might read no as number, annoying in fiction. Just tap Languages and make sure it's set to the same voice or language you chose earlier. Now open the Kindle app on your iPhone. Tap on the page and select the A icon at the top. Disable continuous scrolling. Now for the fun part, let's turn your ebook into audiobook. Set your volume to high and lower your brightness, especially if unplugged, to save battery. Swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen. If the notification center opens instead, just swipe it back up and try again. The Speak Screen playback box should appear. Just swipe left to the previous page, then swipe right to return to your current page. This helps Speak Screen continue reading beyond the current page. Tap the arrow on the playback box to hide it. This trick also helps prompt smooth uninterrupted readings. If the reader starts from the wrong page, close the Kindle app, reopen it, and repeat the steps. Just do not turn off your screen. Speak Screen will stop recording, and avoid switching apps or taking calls to prevent disruptions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.